Do you remember back in 2018 when curved screens were so cool? Me neither. My previous monitor was an older Dell widescreen, nothing to brag about. I got this Samsung 34-inch curved widescreen monitor.
Good for you.
With great excitement, I unboxed it. The packaging held each component securely, and the monitor was impressive in size from first sight. Samsung lovingly nestled it in curved styrofoam. The power and menu selector button is efficient, if not immediately intuitive. The mounting point is a sight to behold. And there's a compartment that hides cables and ports. Headphone jack, USB, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C. Don't forget a USB hub and the power plug. Also, here's your first look at that curve. It put a smile on my face too, at first. The stand snaps in place effortlessly, and from the start it was making statements. I was happy to see that Samsung included a cable for each type of input available. By size, resolution, and clarity, the new monitor absolutely shamed my old monitor. Movies look great on it. And that's where the story turns. It's a great monitor for immersive entertainment if you plan on sitting directly in front of it. It provides fantastic space for multitasking applications. Think of working in a browser and a document at the same time. It's great for that, unless you need to sit at an angle to the monitor. If you change positions or sit to the side, the curve becomes immediately apparent. You can't unsee it.
I can't unsee that.
Maybe this works great for gaming or video editing, but I've decided the curve is truly a gimmick. I don't like how the edge is pushed toward the viewer. It takes up more space on my desk because of the shape. It can't push as far back to the wall as I prefer. This leaves me with the feeling that it is always a little too close and potentially bad for my eyes. I'll never choose another curved screen again, not for a computer or TV.
Never again.
I'm over the curve.